Fact 12. Honey is the only food made by insects that humans eat. Honey isn't just delicious, it's also unique. It's the only food humans consume that is produced by insects. Bees work tirelessly to make this sweet treat by collecting nectar, breaking it down into simple sugars, and storing it in honeycombs. Fun fact, a single bee produces just 1/12 of a teaspoon of honey in its entire lifetime. Fact 13. Apples float because they're 25% air. Ever wonder why apples bob up when placed in water? That's because they are made up of about 25% air. This trapped air allows them to float. It also explains why biting into a fresh apple is so satisfyingly crisp and juicy. Fact 14. Chocolate was once used as currency. In ancient Mesoamerican civilizations like the Maya and Aztecs, cacao beans were so valuable they were used as currency. They were considered more precious than gold and traded for goods and services. Talk about chocolate being priceless. Fact 15. Cheese is older than recorded history. Cheese has been enjoyed by humans for over 7,000 years, even before writing was invented. Ancient civilizations discovered that milk could be transformed into cheese, likely by accident, when milk stored in animal stomachs curdled. The rest is tasty history. Fact 16. Watermelons were once bitter. Today's sweet, juicy watermelons are a far cry from their ancient relatives. Originally cultivated in Africa thousands of years ago, early watermelons were bitter and primarily used for their water content in arid regions. Selective breeding over time gave us the delicious summer treat we love today. Fact 17. Peppers can trick your brain into feeling heat. Ever wonder why eating spicy food makes your mouth feel like it's on fire? That's because capsaicin, the chemical in chili peppers responsible for the heat, binds to your tongue's pain receptors, tricking your brain into thinking it's feeling actual heat. Fact 18. The world's most expensive pizza costs over $12,000, dubbed the Louis XV. This luxurious pizza takes 72 hours to prepare and is topped with rare ingredients like lobster, caviar, and pink salt from the Murray River in Australia. Only available in Italy, it's a dish reserved for the truly extravagant foodie. Fact 19. Croissants aren't French. Despite being a staple of French cuisine, croissants actually originated in Austria. They were inspired by the Kipferl, a crescent-shaped pastry popular in Vienna. French bakers adopted the idea and refined it, turning it into the buttery, flaky delight we know today. Fact 20. Mushrooms can glow in the dark. Certain species of mushrooms, like the bioluminescent foxfire, emit a natural glow in dark environments. This phenomenon, called bioluminescence, is caused by a chemical reaction in the mushroom's cells. Early civilizations even used glowing mushrooms to light up dark caves. Fact 21. The average person eats almost 12,000 pounds of food per year. That's about the weight of an elephant. Over a lifetime, the average person consumes enough food to fill several large trucks. It's a staggering amount when you think about it, but food is essential fuel for our bodies. Fact 22. Garlic has natural antibiotic properties. Garlic doesn't just add flavor to your food, it can also boost your health. The compound allicin, released when garlic is crushed or chopped, has powerful antibacterial and antiviral properties. Ancient civilizations even used garlic as medicine to treat infections. Fact 23. Ketchup was once used as medicine in the 1830s. Dr. John Cook Bennett claimed that tomatoes had medicinal properties. He even developed a concentrated tomato pill that was marketed as a cure for indigestion and diarrhea. Ketchup may be a condiment today, but it once had a reputation as a health tonic. Fact 24. Popcorn has been around for over 5,000 years. Archaeologists discovered ancient popcorn kernels in caves in New Mexico, dating back over 5,000 years. Even our ancestors couldn't resist the satisfying crunch of this popular snack. It's amazing how popcorn has remained a timeless treat. Fact 25. In Japan, square watermelons are a thing. Square watermelons might look futuristic, but they were invented for a practical reason: easier stacking and storage. Farmers in Japan grow them in cube-shaped containers, creating a visually striking and space-saving fruit.